So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to find either your Ethernet or your Wi-Fi. No matter which one you have, you want to double click on it and then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then you want to make sure that use the following DNS server address has been selected. You want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on this, you want to copy and paste these commands into CMD. But I'm just going to type out the first one, which is ipconfig /renew, and then click on enter. Then you want to copy and paste all the other commands into CMD. They'll all be down below in the description. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to look for CapCut. You can search it right here if you can't find it. But once you find CapCut, you want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then just uninstall it. Then you want to re-download CapCut and restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.